Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a functionality pro video for a main board for Vizio XVT553SV belonging to, well, I'm sorry, I can't read it, this customer. And this is unique marking. Hopefully it will help them recognize it. The board has been worked on before. The main processor was not barely reflown. It was replaced with one with leaded balls, and this was in violation of our requirements. So we asked the customer if they're okay with, we gave them a few different options, and they chose a functionality proof with no warranty for the board. You can see our standard media player that can be seen on many other videos. This is connected to HDMI 1. If I disconnect it, the music will stop. If I plug it back, it starts. And that's it. Board is tested, ready. It will go back. Thank you very much.